How to link a website to a Facebook page. If any day you would like to link your website to a Facebook page, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, first of all, you have to tap on Facebook on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the profile icon on the top. After you go to the profile icon on the top, you'll see a screen like this. Now you have to switch your account to the page. To switch the account to the page, you have to go to the option of switching. Now you can switch to the very page that you want to switch. And this way you can switch to your Facebook page. After waiting for a while, you can see a screen like this. Now you can see the three lines on the top. After seeing the three lines on the top, you'll see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the profile section of your very Facebook page. After going to the profile section of your very Facebook page, you'll see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the three dots here. After going to the three dots here, you will see an interface like this. You just have to tap on the three dots. After tapping on the three dots, you see a screen like this. You'll see the various kind of options here. First of all, you have to go to the option of view as. After going to the option of view as, you see a screen like this. You can see the screen of your various followers there. You can see the various kind of other people there who have followed this and also like this. Now you can see the option of link to your website. Now you have to tap on the option of link to your website. After tapping on link to the website, you see a screen like this. Now in order to add the website, you have to go to the option of add website. And then you have to add your website here. You have to paste the very website that you want to add, the very website address of that. And after you tap on the very website address, you have to tap on the option of save there. You also need to add some of the addresses out there, and when you tap on save, your very website will be saved and your very website will be linked in your Facebook page. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.